First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to medium level seating arrangement set number 5. So 10 persons are sitting in two parallel rows containing a person in each row. So totally there are 10 persons and 5 persons are sitting in row number 1 and another 5 persons are sitting in row number 2. And the person who are all sitting in row number 2 are facing north and the person who are all sitting in row number 1 are facing south. And also they like different colors, so totally 10 colors is given. So what is the target? Our target to find the person where he is sitting, row number 1 which place he is sitting, or row number 2 which place he is sitting, and also his favorite color. So I always saying that go with minimum of 2 possible diagrams, right? So let me assume this as possible diagram 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally there are 5 persons, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So similarly I can go with another possible diagram here. Okay, so let me assume that these 5 persons are sitting in row number 1 where all the 5 persons are facing south. So similarly here the person who are all sitting in row number 2, these persons are facing north. Understood? Point number 1. M does not like brown. So the person M does not like brown and P likes black. Okay, we don't know where is M is sitting and we don't know where P is sitting. But initially they have telling that M does not like brown and also P like blacks. So let me keep that point in our mind. Next point, Y sits third to left of U. So U left hand side at a third place where Y is sitting, and we already know that U, Y, X, Z, all the persons are sitting in row number 2. So U left hand side at a second place or third place? At a third place where Y is sitting. So what we can do is, I can do one thing. I can fix U here in this possible diagram. If I fix U here, U left hand side 1, 2, 3. So I can place Y here, one possible, right? Or else I can fix U here 1, 2, 3. I can fix Y here. Totally we are getting 2 possibles. Understood? We can't able to fix U here because if I fix U here, we can't able to place Y, ruled out of the arrangement. So only 2 possible. Either I can fix U here or else I can fix U here. So according to both these possible diagram, where we can say U left hand side at a third place where Y is sitting. Okay. U likes yellow color, which means the person U likes yellow color. So this U will be yellow. Similarly, the person U likes yellow color. So next point, M faces an immediate neighbor of Y. So just listen here, M faces the immediate neighbor of Y. So immediate neighbor of Y, this or this, because both the places are an immediate neighbor of Y. Either M is facing this person or else M is facing this person. But M is facing one of the person that is immediate neighbor of Y. Either I can fix M here or else M here in this first possible diagram. Let me move on to the second possible diagram. Immediate neighbor of Y is only one person. This person is the only person who will be the immediate neighbor of Y. So M will be definitely facing this person. So I can fix M here in this possible diagram too. So friends, understand what they said is M is facing immediate neighbor of Y. In this possible diagram, we can't able to fix M because M can be placed here or M can be placed here. But in this possible diagram too, we have only one choice because Y has only one immediate neighbor. So definitely this person should be faced by M. Right? So I have fixed M here. Okay. So next point, U likes orange. So the person Y likes orange color. So similarly here the person Y likes orange. So next point, the one who likes peach sits at an extreme end. So peach color, right? That person is sitting at an extreme end. Either this person will like peach or this person. We are getting many possibles. So let me keep that in mind. We can move on to the next point. What is the next point here? O sits second to right of M. So M right hand side at a second place is O. Here we have already fixed M, right? So M right hand side will be this side, and they are saying M right hand side second place is O. There is no chance, right? M second place, it's ruled out of the arrangement. So we can definitely say that possible diagram 2 is completely wrong. Let me move on to the possible diagram 1. We know that we have only 2 chances for M. Either I should fix M here or M here. In case if I fix M here, M right hand side second place is O. M right hand side, no, we don't have any place here, ruled out of the arrangement. So only one chance that I should fix M here, M right hand side second place is O. Understood? And also we know that the M does not likes brown. Okay, so the person M does not like brown color. Okay, and P likes black. Okay, let it be. Let me move on to the next point. So the one who likes red faces one who likes pink, but M does not like pink. So the person who likes red is facing the person pink, but the person M does not like pink. Okay. Okay, M does not like pink color. So next point, what they said is only one person sits between N and P. So between N and P there is gap of only one person, and we know that N and P both the persons are in row number 1. So either N should be placed here or N should be placed here, but definitely these two places for N and P. So what is the remaining letter that we have is Q. So I should fix Q here, no other way. Understood? So either I can fix N here or else N here. So let it be. Let me move on to the next point. And Z, V and Z. Okay, V and Z are an immediate neighbors. So V and Z are an immediate neighbors. We know that V and Z are in row number 2. So only chance that I should fix V and Z here or V and Z here. So these two places will be definitely for V and Z. So what is the remaining? One letter is remaining is X. So I should fix X here, no other way. So next point is Z does not faces M and N. So what they are saying is the person Z does not faces M as well as N. So definitely I can't able to fix Z here. Only one chance that I should fix Z here, and the person Z is not facing M as well as N. So I should fix N here, and we already know that between N and P there should be gap of one person. So definitely I should fix P here, no other way. And we have fixed Z here, and also according to the previous point where V and Z are an immediate neighbors. So I should fix definitely V here. That's it. So finally we have fixed all the persons. So now our target to find what is their favorite colors, and also according to point number 1 where we know that the person P likes black, right? Okay. And any other thing remaining? Okay, so Z faces M, who does not like grey. So the person N does not like grey. Understood? So this person does not like grey color. Okay, so let me move on to the next points. So next point is the one who faces U likes white. So the one who faces U, this person likes white color. Understood? And also we know that the person who likes the person who is sitting at one of the extreme end, he likes peach color, right? So definitely we have two chances. Either X should be peach, or else the person O who likes peach color, because they have directly given that the person who is sitting at an extreme end likes peach, but we have already fixed one extreme person is white, one extreme person is yellow. So definitely I should fix peach color as Y or else peach color as X. And also we know that the person who likes red, he is facing the person who likes pink. So if I fix red here, this should be pink, not possible. If I fix red here, this should be pink. Already we know that Y is yellow. So these are the two places for red and pink for sure. And also we know that the person M does not like pink. So definitely we can say the person M should be red, and the person who is sitting opposite to the red, this person likes pink. Right, so finally we have fixed it. Okay, still remaining, we have 1 or 2 points remaining. Okay, the one who faces an immediate neighbor of Y likes brown. So one who faces the immediate neighbor of Y. So immediate neighbor of Y, X and V, right? So M is facing V, one of the immediate neighbor of Y. So we can't able to fix M as brown because already we have fixed M as red. So only one chance that this O should be brown, only then we can say one of the immediate neighbor of Y, right? The person who is facing one of the immediate neighbor of Y, he likes brown. Definitely we can't fix M as brown because M is already red. Only one chance that O should be brown. If O is brown, we know that one person who is sitting at an extreme end like peach color. So this is white, U is yellow, O is brown. Only one chance remaining, X should like peach color. Okay, so finally we have fixed all. No, still remaining is N does not likes grey. So the person Z should be grey color. And remaining only one color is remaining, that is blue. So blue is remaining, N should be blue. Okay, so finally we have fixed the letters, the person where he is sitting, and also we have fixed their favorite colors. So X likes peach, Y orange, V pink, Z grey, U yellow, Q white, P black, M red, N blue, and O brown. That's it. Yes. Very interesting arrangement. You know, it's one of the memory based question that was asked previously in the competitive exams. Very interesting, right? They usually ask this for 5 or 6 marks. So if we always go with two possible diagram, it is easy. If you are a beginner, do one thing, just take it as a clue right hand side, right? If you can't able to keep all the points in mind, better write it as a small clue at the any corner of the chart, and you can able to solve it easily, right? Either try to keep some of the important points in the mind as a clue, or else just take it as a note at the right side or left side, wherever you want, and then try to fix the clue in the arrangement. You will surely get the answer, but it requires some patience, right? But you can surely crack it. So that's it. This will be the answer for set number 5. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the remaining seating arrangement videos on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much.